Sige, let's start na. Let's start. Unahin na natin ang ating mega box. So we have a Origins Hobby, Absolute Hobby. These two is our hobby boxes. And 2 Mosaic Mega. So sana makadali tayong Genesis. Papiliin ko kayo pala mga boss para magandang laban. Okay. Ayan. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4. So first two numbers ayun ang ating bubuksan. 1, 2, 3, and 4. First two numbers mga boss, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 and 4 para kay Boss Christian. 1 and 4. 2 and 4. Alright. Good luck. Best of luck. Alright, okay. Right, we're good. So let's start. Ayan, Mosaic Mega Box. So 80 cards. Sulit na sulit tayo for the Mega Box. 80 cards. Alright. Unwrap 1 silver prism and 10 Mega Box exclusive Mosaic prism and Mega Box exclusive Mosaic pink fluorescent numbered to 10. Alright. So that's our short print pink fluorescent. Okay. Wala yung cutter ko man. Yun. Alright. Let's go. Buksan na natin to. Mabuksan pa lang iba. Okay, good luck, bros. Here we go. Empty box. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. We have 10 packs. Let's go. Alright, and there you go. Our blue reactive plus Mosaic. Alright, for the Golden State Warriors, we have Andrew Wiggins, Kyle Kuzma for the Lakers, Enes Kanter, Jimmy Butler. We have Jason Tate, nice. Jason Tate for the Houston Rockets. And there you go, early NBA debut, LaMelo Ball, Boss Charles. Alright, Jordan Nwora, nice. Rookie for the Milwaukee Bucks. Our blue reactive, and we have a Mason Plumlee. Okay, slips natin yan. Aga ni LaMelo Ball. First pack, maganda-gandang ano to, Boss Asyo. Senyales. Okay. LaMelo Ball. Ganyan natin yung sa gitna. Oops. And first parallel rookie for the Milwaukee Bucks, Boss Yuri, my boy. There you go. Okay, second one. Okay, anong meron tayo? We have a insert and a blue reactive. Tyler Hero, Miami. Derek White, Spurs. Bogdanovich, Atlanta Hawks. Will Barton, Sadiq Bey through RC, Detroit Piston. At the back, we have KD, the Slim Reaper, National Pride. There you go. Alright. And ating blue reactive, not a rookie. It's a Dante DiVincenzo. Another one for the Milwaukee Bucks. Blue reactive and insert Jimmy B. For Miami, Boss Mike. Sadiq Bay. Okay. Next pack. Oops. Sayang. Good evening, Boss Aaron. What's up, what's up? Shout out Box Break Avenue. Ayan. What's up, Boss Aaron? Nikola Jokic, Royce O'Neal, Jeremy Grant, and we have the Beard, James Harden, rookie, Tyrese Haliburton. There you go, Sacramento, Boss SC, True RC, and a True, eto, the truth naman. Boss Eds, good evening. What's up, what's up? Good luck, Boss Eds. For the Milwaukee, another one. Grabe, Milwaukee Bucks, bubuhin niya tayo yung lineup. Bubuhin niya ta, Boss Yuri. Yung Milwaukee, pangatlo na natin tong Blue Reactive for your Milwaukee Bucks. And we have Isaiah Roby. Yes, Boss A. Okay na kami ni Nice. Tagal din, kami, sinulit namin yung 14 days. Kasi si Nice nung ang 7 days, nagpa-positive pa rin siya nun eh. Sulit nung 14 days, doon lang kami nag-negative lahat. Then nagpa-PCR. Ayun, hawa naman ng Diyos, okay. Alright. Yeah. Halle B, True RC. Okay, oops. We have an insert. Okay, Tadeusz Young, Nikola Vucevic, Tim Hardaway Jr., Bogdanovic, Isaiah Stewart, Beefs 2, Detroit Pistons, True Rookie, and Sadiq Bay, NBA debut. Alright. At the back, eto na, for the Atlanta Hawks, we have Jam Master Dominic Wilkins, Boss MJ, Jam Master Dominic Wilkins, Charles Barkley, Reactive Blue. Charles Barkley, HOF, for the Phoenix Suns. Okay, another blue. Genesis ba to? Insert. Will to win. Walang ya. Grayson Allen, Porzingis, Hamidou Diallo, SGA, OKC rookie Trey Jones, San Antonio Spurs, and a national pride. There you go, Anthony Edwards for our T-Wolves, Boss SC. Okay, dito muna rookie ba to? Not a rookie. We have Spicy P, not bad, for the Toronto Raptors. Okay. And our insert, it's James Harden, Blue Reactive, Will to Win. Ayan, panalo. Maganda yung trading nila ng Philadelphia, pero mas nasulit ng Brooklyn yung pag-trade. Pero James Harden yan. And the process, Joel Embiid, Spicy P, Toronto Raptors, Spicy P. Ito lang po sa Ivy. Lang ya. Spicy P. Ano ba yung boss Ivy? Paano kwento nun? Ant-Man. Okay. Alright. Alright, we have a green. Hindi. Jam Master pala. Wala palang green. JC Zubac, Gary Trent, Tobias Harris, and a rookie for the Sacramento, it's Jamias Ramsey, and Denny Abdia, and Boss IB, Pero for sure, marami ka na neto. We have Seth Curry, new member of the Brooklyn Nets. And Jay, there you go, LeBron, bang, bang, LA Lakers. Boss Luisito Malit, bang, bang, Jam Master, reactive for the king himself, LeBron James, bang, bang. Nice. Nice, Jam Master. Sulit sa Mosaic Mega, ano? Sulit ang Mosaic Mega. Daming parallel. Alright. Okay. New York Knicks, Elfrid Payton, Ben McLemore, Kyle Anderson, M-Rob, rookie, Udoka Azubuike for the Utah Jazz. And we have Gary Payton for the OKC. Okay, dito muna tayo sa likod. Insert natin. It's Elevate Christian Wood for the Houston Rockets. Alright, not a rookie. We have Anthony Davis. There you go. Star player from the Lakers. It's the bro. Olats na naman sila. The bro. What happened, the bro? Alright. Oops. Okay. Alright, Kemba Walker, Shake Milton, Mikal Bridge, Dennis Schroeder, rookie. Siyempre, di makukumpleto ang break pag wala si Nick. There you go, National Pride, Tyrese Haliburton, second Halibi, and a Hall of Famer, Magic Johnson. Another one for the Lakers. The rookie. Alright, good luck. Rookie. For the Chicago Bulls, bang bang, boss CGD. NBA debut, Blue Reactive for Boss Din. Pato Will, nice. Okay, Haliberto. National Pride. Nice hit for the Bulls. Ay, meron pa ng Magic Johnson. Alright, last 2 packs. Paging gusto. Parang yan, di kumahan yan. Alright, there you go. We have a silver prism. Cody Zeller, Ricky Rubio, Darius Baisley, Luke Kennard, Shaq, Kill O'Neal, and Pat Will again, NBA debut base. Okay, dito tayo sa silver. Naran RC. We have Grayson Allen for the Memphis Grizzlies. Ganda, linis ng silver. Alright, Blue Reactive, Draymond Green. Alright, Draymond Green. Present. Uy. Draymond Green. Alright, last pack for our first Mosaic Mega box. Alright. Okay, Duncan Robinson, Miami Heat. We have Colin Sexton, Ben Simmons, Malik Beasley, rookie Jordan Nwora, and a Charles Barkley again. And insert natin, Elevate Karl Anthony Towns, T-Wolves. Give us a rookie. Not a rookie, but we have Uncle Drew. Nice. Blue Reactive for the Brooklyn Nets. Boss Tom. Nice hit. Uncle Drew. Blue Reactive. Pagtabihin natin sila ni James Harden. Tabi kayo ni James Harden. Okay. Second box. So far, ayan, ang dami naman nating RCs. And isang malupit na blue reactive for Pat Will. And of course, LeBron James for our first box. Okay. Fair enough for the first box. Second box natin. Okay, lipat natin dito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Round 2. Fight. Alright. Isaiah Roby. LeBron James again. Aaron Baines. Jaylen Brown. Another Pat Will. And a rookie Jordan Nwora through RC. Will to win Jamal Murray, Denver Nuggets. And a blue reactive for Otto Porter Jr. OPJ. Alright, will to win Jamal Murray. Sayang si Jamal Murray. Makabalik pa kaya siya sa dati. Alright, and a silver coming up. Mo Bamba, Caris LeVert, Drummond, Marjanovic, Charles Barkley, rookie Jason Tate. Okay, second Jason Tate for the Houston. Hey, Paul George, silver prism for the LA Clips. Boss Michael Tanfelis. Woo! And we have Rishal Holmes, Sacktown. Ganda na silver, ang linis. Paul George, silver prism. Nice. Alright. Okay. Insert and blue reactive for this pack. Landry Shamet, Troy Brown, THT, Sweet Lou. Hey! And another LaMelo Ball. Second copy NBA debut. Rookie Sadiq Bey through RC. And a Zach LaVine Jam Master Chicago Bulls. Another one for you. Okay, blue reactive natin. Good luck. National pride yata. For the Phoenix Suns, it's the point guard CP3. There you go. Phoenix Suns. Chris Paul. Box 1 and 3. Okay, LaMelo Ball. Second LaMelo. Right. Zach LaVine's Jam Master. Ganda lang sa Jam Master, no? Bobblehead. Cute. Okay. Alright, Scary Terry for the Charlotte Hornets. Devin Booker, Brandon Clark, Jabari Parker. We have Vince Carter, rookie Jalen Smith. Alright, and another one for the NOP. There you go, Zion naman. Zion, Boss Aldwin, Jam Master, Zion Williamson. And a rookie, good luck. It's Kyra Lewis back-to-back for the NOP. Boss Aldwin, 2 hits in 1 pack. Kyra Lewis Jr. Okay. Alright, insert and blue reactive again. Valanciunas, JJ, Kleber. We have McDermott, Isaac Okoro NBA debut, Cleveland Cavaliers, and a rookie RJH for the Orlando. Nice jersey. Ganda ni jersey. Will to win. There you go, Luka. Dallas Mavericks, Boss Essie. And our reactive, it's Kyle Lowry for the Toronto Raptors. Kyle Lowry. Okay. Blue reactive Lowry. Okay. Marami pa. We have a 1, 2, 4 packs left. 4 packs. 4. Oy, another silver. We have another silver. Parang 1 lang siya per box yata nakalagay. We have a 2. Nice. Good box. Baka may banger. Joe Ingles, Zach Lavine, Cameron Payne, Jarrett Allen. There you go. Another Halliburton. National Pride. And a Shaquille O'Neal. Finals MVP. Dito muna tayo sa likod. Not an RC. We have Jarrett Allen for the Cavs. Silver. Alright. Blue Reactive. Rookie. It's woohoo! Shoo! Venon Carey Jr. Big man. Sayang. Jarrett Allen. Dumaplis pa kay Venon Carey Jr. Okay. Alright. Kobe White. Bulls. Larry Nance. Antetokounmpo. Mike Conley. We have Kevin Durant, National Pride, rookie, Halliburton through RC. And we have Norman Powell. Okay. And a Portland Trail Blazers, CJ McCollum. Dalawang Portland yun, ha. Back-to-back hits then for the Portland Trail Blazers. Boss Sachiaki box break. Oops. 3 packs more. Okay. Zion Williamson, KD, LMA, Daniel Tice, Paul Pierce, Isaiah Stewart, Sadiq Bey, and a rookie Trey Jones. Alright, dito Hall of Famer Jason Kidd for the Brooklyn Nets. And a Blue Reactive DA for the Phoenix Suns, DeAndre Ayton. Sa reactive parang boss. Parang 2 RC lang sa reactive blue or 3. Kasi may pot wheel kanina eh. 2 to 3 siguro, boss. Sa MOSAIC. Alright, oops. Okay. KCP, LA Lakers, TJ Warren, Devontae Graham, Zach Collins, and a Elevate LeBron James. Alright, good luck. Rookie. It's Facundo Campazo, Denver Nuggets. Para kay Boss RUD, Facundo Campazo. Yun. Nice. Elevate LeBron James. Alright, last pack tayo mga bossing for the MOSAIC Mega. Then, unahin na natin ang abso natin. Alright. Alright, Giannis Antetokounmpo, Lonzo Ball, Luguentz-Dort, Bol. We have Anthony Edwards, National Pride. Another one for the T-Wolves. Rookie, Lamar Stevens. Alright, will to win natin. It's Giannis Antetokounmpo, bang bang, Milwaukee Bucks. Boss Yuri, my boy, grabe Milwaukee, ang dami. Dami nating hits. And a Monte Morris, Blue Reactive. Nice. The Greek Freak, oy. The Greek Freak, will to win. Okay. Ant-Man. Alright. Time for our absolute. Okay. Alright, we have 5 cards per pack, 2 packs per box. So, total of 10 cards. Find 2 autographs and memo. So, tigalawa sila per pack. Alright, iconic tools of trade, signatures, the ultra rare glass. Ito yung maganda, yung glass, talagang glass yung card, kakaiba. Okay, so let's go. Yuta na lang talaga, boss Eds. Yuta na lang ang dinadasal. Alang yung Yuta just yan. Walang kapag di man lang nagpakita si Donovan Mitchell ata, bossing. Pero we'll see. Baka nandito siya sa absolute natin. Alright. Alright. Sira na yung box. Okay. Luka and James Wiseman. Let's start with James Wiseman. Let's start with James Wiseman. Okay. Good luck, good luck. There you go. First card natin, it's rookie. Rookie. It's Kyra Lewis Jr. for the NOP boss Aldwin. Kyra Lewis Jr. Parang okay. Alright. Yung mga shiny card sa likod. Nakakita ko ng shiny card sa likod. Okay. Kunin natin si Kyra Lewis Jr. Oops. Alright. For the NOP rookie card, Kyra Lewis Jr. Okay, next one. Okay. Not an RC. We have Nikola Jokic for the Denver Nuggets. Nice, the MVP base, Nikola Jokic. Nice. Alright. Makapal din tayong card ni Absolute. Yan. Okay. Alright. Dito tayo sa parallel. Numbered card. Oops. Numbered card. Red. Rookie. Red. Rookie. Okay, good luck. Red rookie. For the Golden State Warriors, there you go. James Wiseman, 116 out of 199. For Boss MJ, nice hit. Bang, bang. James Wiseman. Numbered card. Red parallel. Oops. Nice, malinis. Malinis yung card, Boss MJ. Alright. Nice one. Okay. Time for our auto. Meron yata tayong tools of trade. Hoy, gold ang ating auto. Rookie gold. Rookie gold. Rookie gold. Let's see. For the Spurs, rookie. Oh, auto. As a numbered. Di numbered card. Trey Jones auto. Yeah, tignan natin. Ba't ganun hindi siya? Established threads. Hindi ba gold to? But still, it's a hit for the San Antonio Spurs. Autograph is guaranteed by Panini. Nice hit, Boss Alvin. Bang bang na naman for the San Antonio Spurs. Last time we have a Devin Vassell from the Origins, and ngayon naman, boss, we have a Trey Jones. Ba't kaya wala siyang number? Di ba siya gold? Retired autos, veterans, rookie autographs, number 49. Rookie autographs. Let's see. Tingnan natin mamaya, bossing. Okay. Tools of trade. Good luck. Tools of trade. Tapain natin yung harap. Okay, we have a 1 and 2. 2 patches. Level 2. For BEA. Whoa! James Harden. Tools of Trade Level 2. It's guaranteed by Panini, an enclosed player worn used material which was worn used as a member of the Houston Rockets is guaranteed by Panini. Bang bang, Brooklyn. For the Brooklyn Nets, naka Houston Rockets lang na jersey. Boss Tom, bang bang. Nice. May bahid pa ng pawis ni Harden. Ganda. Tools of trade. Nice hit. Vet player James Harden. Patch. Okay. Next one. Ito si Luka D. Alright, first card. It's Kawhi Leonard, LA Clips. Another one for the Clippers. Okay, parang purple. We have a purple and a super thick card. Sobrang kapal. Sana jumbo hat to, mga bossing. Jumbo hat or Spalding. Sobrang kapal na card. Good luck. We have a jumbo. It's either Spalding or jumbo hat. Alright. The fun guy. Okay, oops. The fun guy. Next one. Alright. Next rookie. For the Denver Nuggets, we have Nicki Minaj. Zeke Naji. Rookie. Nicki Minaj. Alright, another one for the Denver. At the back. Oy, mukhang RPA yung ano natin. We have a purple. Rookie purple. Number 225, 08 to 25. For the Orlando Magic, we have Cole Anthony, 08 out of 25. Bang, bang, Cole Anthony. Orlando Magic. Boss Alvin again. Bang, bang. Ganda, Cole Anthony, purple. heart without even trying. Ganda naman nun. Cole Anthony. Purple. 08 out of 25. Ganda ng absolute din talaga. Alright. Next one. Dito, unahin na natin yung manipis lang. Parang tools of trade again. Tools of trade. Okay, babalik na rin ko lang siya. Okay, kapain natin. One patch lang. Isa lang. One, level 1. Tools of trade. ET. Hindi siya tools of trade. ET. AAG. Aaron Gordon ba to? Aaron Gordon. Aaron Gordon. Established trades. Orlando again. Boss Alvin. Okay. Game worn material is guaranteed by Panini. Nice. Dalawa. For the Orlando. Dalawang hit. Alright. Our last card for the absolute. Super thick card. RPA. RPA. Let's see. Balik rin natin. Oops. Oy. Jumbo. Logo yata ito. Logo nga. Alright, good luck. Tools of trade. Tools of trade. Level 4. OTO. For the New York Knicks, Obi Toppin. Bang, bang, Boss Christian. 1 out of 5. 1 out of 5. Kaboom! Pangit lang nung pagkakapatch niya, Boss Christian. Medyo nakalabas yung mga ano. Pero solid. 1 out of 5. Obi Toppin. Bang, bang. Number. Jersey number. Jersey number. For Obi Toppin. Bang, bang. Congrats, Boss Arnibal. Bang! Bang! Dagdag PC para kay Boss Arnibal. Woo! Shit, di kasya sa ano ko. Teka boss, kuha lang ito ng 180 PT. Ah, oo. Ang kapal eh. Ang ganda nun. Ibulsa ko na lang. Ito boss, meron tayo niyan. 180, 130. 130. 130 lang. Kasya kaya sa 130 ah. Binuksan ko na. Baka sayang. Pag di kasya boss, order ka 180. Alright. Pero feeling ko kasya 130. Sobrang kapal eh. Nako, hindi kasya boss. Naka ano. Hanap kita boss. Hanap kita 180. Super kapal ng card. Nice hit boss CDJ. Bang 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 bang. Pag muna natin. Bigyan muna natin ng sariling stand si Obi Toppin. 1 out of 5. Solid naman yun. Plastic lang yellow. Alright. Congrats sa mga humit sa ating absolute. Ganda nun. Obi Toppin, 1 out of 5. Origins na mga boss. Good luck for the origins to 2 autographs or memorabilia cards on card auto. Okay. 1 rookie autographs. Okay. Rare rookie autographs booklet patch and 6-star signatures booklet. Eto na, Boss Essie. Good luck, good luck. Good luck, guys, good luck. Last box natin. Okay. Mali na naman yata yung bukas ko no. Uy, ang kapal din. Ang kapal din ng origins natin. Makapal yung origins. Sana may rookie booklet. Alright. Good luck guys, good luck. Sana meron tayong rookie booklet. Ang kapal eh. Ang kapal nung patch, ay nung pack. Silip. Okay. Wala. Sadly. Wala tayong rookie booklet. The rare rookie booklet. Pero meron tayong banger for sure. Okay. Alright. There you go. Nakita na Milwaukee Bucks ang ating first card. It's Giannis Antetokounmpo. Okay. Milwaukee Bucks again, boss. Yuri, my boy. Another one for your Milwaukee. Alright. We have Giannis Antetokounmpo. Nice. Giannis Antetokounmpo. Top load natin yan later. Alright. Oops. Second card. Red color. Not a rookie. We have Jimmy Butler for the Miami Heat. Okay. Miami. Boss Mite. Jimmy B. Alright, we have a rookie card coming up next. Rookie card. Good luck. Rookie. Blue. Blue. For the Golden State Warriors, James Wiseman. Another bang. For the GSW, Boss MJ. James Wiseman. Nice. Nice hit again. Another one for James Wiseman. Tabi natin doon. Okay. Dito tayo sa parallel sa likod. Oops. Alright. Good luck. Not a rookie. For the Phoenix Suns, we have Devin Booker. Nice hit for the Phoenix. Boss Jared D-Book. Alright. Devin Booker. Okay. D-Book. Okay. One more sa likod. Numbered card. Oops. Ay, auto yata ito. Autograph nga. Alright. Next. Rookie. Cole Anthony. 2 out of 75. Another one for the Orlando boss, Alvin Ong. Bang, bang. Another one. 2 numbered cards for Cole Anthony. Okay. Alright. Okay, dalawang Cole Anthony. Okay, for the auto muna. Sa likod, auto. Ayan. Ito muna tayo, patch. Dito muna tayo sa patch. Good luck. Patch natin. CM. OMCM. Sino CM? CM. Let's see. CM. CJ McCollum. 12 out of 35. Origins. Patch. There you go. The enclosed game-worn used material is guaranteed by Panini for the Portland Trail Blazer. 12 to 35. McCollum patch. Okay. CJ McCollum. Alright, last card. Nice, numbered. Numbered patch. CJ McCollum. Alright, nice hit. Portland Trail Blazer. Congrats, boss John C. ng Sachiaki box break. Okay, last card. Again, guys, thank you so much for joining BBH 216. Last card. Autograph. Alright, this is an autograph for EDW Anthony Edwards. Bang for boss SC. Bang bang. Ant-Man auto. Kaboom. Sesh. T-Wolves rookie autographs Anthony Edwards. Bang bang. Damn, sulit. Grabe. What a break. What a break. Bang, bang, boss Essie. Bebe bang. Last card mojo for the Ant-Man. Woo! Wow! Ang ganda rin ng Obit Hapin, wala lang mugs. Ang ganda na nung Obit Hapin, wala lang mugs. Alright, fast recap mga boss. And guys, meron tayong nakalatag last 5 teams. Okay, so para yun sa Obsidian Team All natin. Check nyo sa group guys, 5 teams left. So pwede i-break tonight if ma-full natin. And check it out. Alright, we have Zeke Naji, Kawhi Leonard, Kyra Lewis Jr., Nikola Jokic, Elevate LeBron James, Facundo Campaso, okay, Jason Kidd, DA, Haliburton, Tyrese Haliburton again, Luka Doncic, Kyle Lowry, Zion Williamson, Kyra Lewis Jr., Zach LaVine, Chris Paul National Pride, Haliburton National Pride, Anthony Davis, Spicy P, and Drew Holiday. Congrats mga boss. Okay, and for our hits, pabigalan tops. Okay, ganda rin ng Cole Anthony tsaka Trey Jones. Sadly, last na natin din yung Origins. Wala na tayong Origins na. Ubus na ang Origins. Alright. We have a Ant-Man. Dalawa. Tyrese Haliburton, Giannis Antetokounmpo, Will to Win. Kyrie Irving, James Harden, LaMelo Ball, LeBron James, LaMelo Ball, Paul George Silver, NBA debut Pat Will, Charles Barkley, Jordan Nwora, Origins, 12 out of 35. Cole Anthony, Devin Booker, si Cole Anthony numbered pala. 62 to 75. Nagtataka lang ako dun sa Trey Jones, alam ko gold yun eh. Walang number. Devin Booker, Phoenix Suns, Anthony Edwards. Bang bang. Okay, established threads for Aaron Gordon, James Harden, James Wiseman. And we have another one for James Wiseman. Cole Anthony, 08 out of 25. And Trey Jones. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Pero alam ko gold to eh. Wala yung number niya. Rookie auto Trey Jones. And for our big hit, of course, we have RPA for Obi Toppin, 1 out of 5. Jersey number. New York Knicks. Nice. Bang, bang. Level 4. Again, guys, thank you so much for joining BBH. And see you sa next live, guys. Signing out. Peace.